So just delete. Oh my God. So I'm about to completely blow up my DJ hard drive and restructure it and just take out all the dupes and just really just a spring cleaning, if you will. It's my off season. Okay, I only have like a bar here and there. I don't have a wedding for another month, so that makes me feel a little better about doing something crazy like this. And I don't know, this is gonna be a fancy video. I just wanna take you guys along for the journey and you can see what happens and maybe you'll learn something. I'll show you everything I'm doing and let's hope it goes smoothly. So here's what I wanna do. So if we look here, all right, all my music lives in the music folder as it should, right? And this is how I have my music set up right now. So you have your Serato crates right here, your Serato folders that you always have. And then everything else, this doesn't reflect my crate system. This doesn't reflect how I DJ. It's just essentially a folder for like all the music I have and kind of where I got it. Like my buddy Eric Fantuzzi, shouts to him, like, you know, he gave me some Latin Fire 10 years ago and it lives in this folder. You know, this is all the direct music service stuff I downloaded. DJ City, Beehive is another place to get house music. Artists, collections. These are like collections. I think they were like old CDs that I ripped back in the day. I actually forget. You know, Dance 1 and Dance 2, I think I got from another DJ, like a company I worked for. It is just an absolute mess, okay? It's just an absolute mess. And what I want to do is I want to take all my music and put it into one folder. And it's going to be one folder on here. So all we're going to have is Serato backup, and then my main music folder that has all 55,000 some odd songs, okay? We're gonna do this, and then we're gonna use Serato's Relocate, tool, because if you go into Serato, right, all the folders where my music are right here, they live right here to the left, but then if you come down here, I have my Hot Fire folder. And my Hot Fire folder contains all my stuff that I DJ out of, right? So my weddings, bar and club, specific crates, routines, and then new is just stuff I'm trying to incorporate, you know, again, or I recently downloaded or whatever, right? And that constantly changes. So this is where I DJ, and then this is where everything sits. So it's a mess. If this could just be one folder, and then we have the DJ folders, that would be great. And I'm pretty sure I could just like click this, and then go to files, and then like relocate lost files, and it should, you know, be able to relocate in one folder. And then the reason why I'm doing one folder is I'm thinking that if everything's just in one folder, then it's going to be really easy to refine files, right? To like connect the dots, number one, as far as like, you know, getting my crates back up in order. And then number two, I'm going to go on to Crate Hackers, and then I'm going to run Crate Hackers through that one folder and delete all the duplicates. But I think that as I put all these songs onto one folder, like I start one main folder and then I just slowly drag, you know, command all and drag all the files into each, because I have like, you know, if you look at my files, like all these, right? So I'll start one main one and then I'm gonna go to artists. Is this all MP3s? Okay, great. And I'm just gonna select all and then drag into there. As I'm doing that one by one, the system will detect duplicates as I do it. So if there's an exact duplicate in there, it should say, hey, do you wanna like redo this file? And then I'll just say skip. So right there, I'll save a lot of duplicates, I feel like. And then after that, I'm gonna run my new and improved and lighter DJ hard drive through Platinum Notes. Platinum Notes is a thing, and I'm not sponsored by them or whatever, but it's a thing where it goes through all your music and it tightens everything up and it raises the gains where it needs to. So like your gain structure is perfect on all the music. So if you ever notice like one song sounds, you know, shitter than the other, you know, it could be because you have a terrible version of it, but then the other side of it too is just like, I don't know, just you lose the waveforms as it gets transferred or whatever. So Platinum Notes is supposed to fix all that. Then I'm gonna run everything through Mixed in Key. Not sponsored by them either, but I'm gonna run everything through Mixed in Key because Mixed in Key can go through my entire library, and it's so much easier if it's just in one folder, obviously, and then it'll correct all the keys, and it'll correct all the metadata, because Mixed in Key is 1,000 times more accurate than Serato is at detecting keys. I would say Serato's about 70% right, you know what I mean? 80% right. So the first goal is to get everything into one folder. And then after that, I'm gonna run it through all these services, clean everything up. And then after that, I really wanna dive in and kind of like start getting the years in all the songs, getting the decades, like really start to organize. So anyway, it's time to start. So first things first, I have two backups. I have an exact backup of everything in my music file on this, right? So if I go right here to my music folder, this music folder is backed up to this hard drive, exactly how it is. So I have that as a backup. Then I have a Time Machine backup to this Lacy hard drive. And a Time Machine, if you're not aware with Mac, is like, it's an exact copy of this. So I can literally I just backed it up today. If I screw absolutely everything up, worst case, I can hook this up and then just Time Machine back to earlier today when everything was honky-dory and we try again. All right, so I have everything backed up. If you're doing something like this, it's very important that you have everything backed up. And now we can F around and find out, as they say. F-O-F-O or F-A-F-O, whatever. So I'm going to turn off Serato first. I'm going to shut down Serato. We don't need Serato open right now. Let's restructure the crate, all the crates first. God, this freaks me out. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to go into Macintosh. No, I'm going to go into Nick Spinelli. I'm going to go into music. All right, here we are. Okay, here's the thing. We're going to make this full screen. Make it nice and easy for us, okay? So I'm going to make right here a master, music master. All right, so artist, add this to this folder. Did I do it? Oh God. All right, so everything's moved. Just make sure everything is either Apple, that's something I bought off Apple. JPEG images, this is what I'm talking about. See, documents, and that's another thing I'm gonna do. So as I find stuff like this just goes, I don't care what it's, there's MP3s, audio files only, okay? That's all I care about is audio files only. Waves, that's cool, we'll do waves, all right? And the Apple G, those are the songs I bought directly off iTunes, so good. All right. Cool, it's progress, right? That's everything, right? All right, so that's it. Delete artists. Oh gosh, this is stressing me out. All right, bridal music. Is this all MP3s? We should be good. Let's actually organize it this way so we know. Yeah, see, look, document, get out of here. Like these are, what was that, a virus? All right, so MP3, JPEG image, this is what I'm talking about. See, we're cleaning things up. All right, that makes me feel a little better. We're cleaning stuff up right here. All right, all this goes in the master. Oh, God, excuse me, heebie-jeebies. All right, see, already. Keep both, nope. Apply to all, and we will stop with those. So we already have those songs in there. Yeah, then what I'll do is maybe I'll put those songs in a separate thing. So the ones that didn't get, that's what I'll do. I'll do a separate folder, Misfits. Okay, so these are the ones that didn't make there, so these go into the Misfits folder. That's what I'm doing. All right, so go back here, bridal music is done. All right, that way I still have the files. I didn't delete the files. And then when I go through and I run into an issue later, I know right where that it's still in that one folder. We're just keeping it simple. All right, Broadway. Can all go into one thing. Thank you. 145 Broadway songs. Peace out. Updates 2. That's where all my updates have been going. I bet you DJs, if you went through your stuff, like you would find the same thing. Like, you know what I mean? Sometimes the stuff just gets slipped up in there, and it's good to just look through every once in a while. I mean, not that's going to be like make or break or like ruin your whole set, but I feel like at some point it could. And see this movie. I don't need this movie. You're getting deleted. All right. I don't do no video anyway. I don't care. DJ said it was like the first like real record pool I discovered. I was like, wow, like. I missed like Crook and Clan and all that. I didn't even know about it. I was a wedding DJ. I remember discovering DJ City probably in 2013, 2012, and I was like, whoa, they have edits. Edits are a thing. Like I didn't even know. I was playing all originals. When I discovered an intro edit, man, did it blow me away. 2015. I discovered Direct Music Service. Someone put me onto it, and I went through and I took the time and I downloaded every single song on Direct Music Service at the time, and I organized it like this, like 60s, 70s, 80s, because like I didn't have edits of all this stuff. Like I discovered edits with DJ City, but they didn't have like edits of wedding music. You know what I mean? They had like regular but Direct Music Service had 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s. So I went through and just downloaded everything. I was like, I don't know how long this is going to be here. I downloaded everything. And I'm glad I did because, times change and can't have stuff like this on music pools forever, that's for sure. The more I do this, I'm feeling better about it. I'm not as nervous anymore. I feel like this is going to work out. I feel like we're doing the right thing here. I feel like this is right. Ragoza edits. Holy shit. We'll deal with that in a second. Promo only. Is this one? Shouts to Ragoza. Great edits. Because I like Ragosa edits. I mean, they were very useful. Before stems, like he had like all the acapella outs, all the acapella ins, which were super, super useful. And on top of that, like he's just, I don't know, he's got a crazy music knowledge. And I would like going through Ragosa edits because I would just discover songs like, oh, I heard that song before, but I didn't know what song it was. Like, you know what I mean? Or just rediscover songs. Like, because, you know, a lot of stuff he made edits of all the bangers, you know? So like there's a lot of bangers in there that like I wasn't playing. And that really helped me too, doing all that. Oh my God, 7,800 with promo only, or 7,000 promo only. All right, guys, I did it. Everything's in Music Master. Everything is a music file. There's no any other files other than like MP3, waveform, whatever. So everything's in one big folder. How much stuff do we have total? Because I know we got a lot in the Misfits. So what is this total? Get info. We got 49,000 items. Good amount of items. All right, now is the scary part. So now we're going to open up Serato. Serato's going to probably blow up. All right, so we'll start here and just it goes up. So just delete, 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 delete. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Ugh, God, it gives me heartbeat or heebie-jeebies. Okay. And then now we're going to go to Files. We're going to go to Music, and then we have Music Master now. So we're going to select Music Master, and then we're going to bring, you ready? Come on. Why are you scared? You're going to bring Music Master over here. That's a big folder. Now Serato should... Yeah. Load everything. It's loading everything now. Hope my computer just blows up right now. I don't know if I mentioned this. This is an M3 Mac. It's got here, I'll show you what it is in case you're wondering. This 36 gigs of RAM, M3 Pro. It's a November 2023. So it's not the newest thing in the world. I think it's quick, you know. So yeah, so it's loading everything. Everything's just gonna be in one folder. We're gonna put this right here. All right, so now, how does this work? I've never done this in my life. Can I literally just do this for the whole thing, or do I have to do individual? Like, I don't know. Relocate lost files. Please work, please work, please work. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh man, everything went orange. Look at that. Like, is it not working for any of them? Is it working for some of them? Oh my God. Oh my God, everything's orange. Oh my God. I can't tell if this is working. I don't think it's working. Oh, yeah, it's working because some of them are getting found. These are getting found. Okay. Yeah, these are adding to it. Okay. It's working. All right. That's it. This is working. I think it's working. All right, updated. What Serato did was it just found any of the files that were in the Misfits folder on my desktop, it found, right? So now those are all like, you know what I mean? So it didn't look through the Music Master folder. So Files, Music Master, and then Relocate Lost Files, and now it's going to find it all in there. We'll see. Because I had the other one selected before, so that's probably why it just goes by whatever you have selected in Files. So right now it's just blowing through everything. It didn't work. All right, so step 1, click a missing track. So I clicked and highlighted a missing track, you know, in Serato. Step 2, click Files. Step 3, navigate to Music and then Music Master where all my files are. And then now I'm selected that, now click Relocate Lost Files. I don't know, this is making me nervous. This is stressful. And that's it, it didn't do nothing. It didn't work. But it found it at Misfits, Desktop Misfits. Why does it search that? Now, is there a setting for Relocate Lost Files? Because like I can't find a setting for that, like library and display, like there's no setting for that. So I dragged my Music Master folder that is right here into Relocate Lost Files while I had a lost file selected. Let's see if that works. Didn't fucking work, of course. Jesus Christ. I think I got an idea. I went through a different path here. Let me try this. So I'll select this and then I'm gonna go relocate. Will it look now? Hold on. Still not working, ladies and gentlemen, but it found on the desktop. Do I put all my files on, do I put everything on the desktop? All right, update. So I Googled relocate lost files in Serato won't look in music folder. It says, all right, well then drag the specific music folder from your computer's Finder Explorer directly onto the relocate lost files button in Serato's files panel. So I'm gonna go right here. This is the actual folder, and it says just to drag it directly onto here. It's not letting me. It's like going either there or there. That makes me nervous. If that fails, right-click a missing track, relocate, choose relocate lost files, or ensure show iTunes is unchecked. Open the files panel in Serato. Find the main music folder on your hard drive and drag that folder on a relocate lost files button. This forces Serato to scan that specific location. No, it doesn't. Why doesn't it work? Because every file, did I delete all these files? Man, I don't know what to do. This is so annoying. I don't know what to do. I'm going to try and figure it out, and then I'll turn the camera back on. But as of now, I literally don't have a laptop to DJ with.